Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer commissions with ClickBank tracking links, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer commissions using ClickBank tracking links, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, find the product you want to promote. Click on the Promote button associated with that product. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your account nickname. After entering your nickname, you can choose to generate a tracking ID. The tracking ID helps you identify the source of your sales. Once you've filled in your account details, click Create Hoplink. Your unique hoplink will be generated and displayed on the screen. Copy this hoplink by clicking the Copy button. Now, go to your preferred platform where you want to share your link. You can share this link on social media, blogs, or through email marketing. When users click on your hoplink, they will be directed to the product's sales page. If a sale is made through your link, ClickBank tracks the commission. To view your commissions, go back to your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the account dashboard. In this section, you can check your earnings and referrals. If you prefer to track performance in real time, consider using additional analytics tools. This allows for deeper insights into your link performance. Finally, ensure all links shared are monitored for effectiveness. This will help you optimize your marketing strategies moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.